Hey summoners, in this quick guide, I will show you how to kite as an ADC in League of Legends. It's easy once you get the hang of it. So let's jump right in. Kiting is all about attacking and moving between each attack. This lets you deal damage while staying out of danger. Here's the trick. After every auto attack, right click to move. Then attack again. Repeat this to stay mobile. Make sure you have set up attack move click in your hotkeys. Go to settings, then hotkeys, and pin it to a comfortable key. A is a common choice. This will help you target enemies quickly without misclicking. Now, practice in the training tool. Attack and move around a dummy or a minion wave. The key is timing your movement just after your attack animation starts. In a real game, always guide backward when enemies chase you. Move between attacks to maintain distance and deal consistent damage. Watch this clip as I kite a melee champion while judging their abilities. And that's it, keep practicing and kiting will become second nature. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite ADC in the comments. Thanks for watching.